So finally, we moving for Bbig. While a lot of stock is going down, Bbig is moving up. As we predicted, we concise and important box that we talked about in last video. That's what happened. The price got bought pretty good with a lot of call options, and the price reversed and went to other technical area. We're gonna discuss right now the technical and the fundamental and everything for Bbig. So let's get right to it. Look with me, we talked about it here around the 6th of June. Again, what we said in 6th of June, where we were trading around this technical area, around the $2.38, we said we're gonna see a big buying pressure in this box, and this will be the bottom for Bbig, and before we're gonna see a big buying pressure. This is in 6th of June, and right now is the 12th of June, so it's give or take 6 days, and that's what happened. We went precisely around our resistance area, around the $2.75, as we said precisely, and the price, see what's going on. We have a big wick. What does mean? We have a lot of people just trigger sell up, sell trigger or sell order around the $2.75. And as we said, always we do it here on Patreon. Even on Bitcoin, we did technical analysis for Bitcoin on Patreon. So if you join us, you can have alert for Bitcoin and a lot of stocks. We do it daily here, and as well on Discord here, as we can look here, the options, call options for Tesla is getting higher, around the 53%, on Apple 59%, and even Lucid is getting really high for the options, is around 59, and the other one is crazy. Bank of America is 80% call options, not put options. So that's why it's really kind of bullish momentum. We're gonna discuss this in another video. However, right now you can join us as well in this our Discord channel, where we have almost 10,000 members on this Discord. You can find it in the links comment section below if you want alert, if you want like trading psychology courses and everything. You can find it here. However, let's go to Bbig. As we said, we bounce from this box. As we said, you see, we have even did the highlight for the box that we should be bought back at, and we said the last one is around the $2.16, and right now jump, as we said, around the 6th. From the 6th, we did the video around the 6th when the price actually went down here. What we said, the price will be bought back, and right now 23%, as we said. Look here, it was around the 6th of January, we were down. Then the 10th of January, we have the spike. So that's why I said always let the price come to you. Don't be like rushing and buying here, okay, around this technical area. When we bounce back or down from this area, what we said in our picture on Discord, we said don't buy. If you want to average down for Bbig, don't buy here, because we already broke this like bullish sign of momentum that we bounced from like since last November. The moment that we break, you don't buy, you just wait, let the price come to you. What we said, the price will come here and bounce. So what you should do, if you even didn't bought Bbig, what you should do, you buy around this technical area, and this is what the whales actually do. Here we can see it in this website, a lot of whales movement and buying pressure for the last year, and we can see here the options and the stock they bought, and we can see they actually beat the SPY and the XP 500 regarding the gains. Okay, this is really crazy. It was last year for big year for the whales. We're gonna do again a video just for that. However, right now, as I said, for Bbig, we should extra careful around the $2.75. $2.75, clear it. we're gonna see a test for the important level that we're gonna see the squeeze at. As I said in the last video, sorry for the audio because we have some technical issue with the mic. So yeah, sorry for the video of the last time because we talked about it yesterday, but there is no voice. However, I will make sure for this one there is a voice. Okay. So as I said in the last video, we gonna see a massive test for Bbig to confirm that we're gonna see kind of reversal or starting of reversal. This big box, I know this is a big gap. This is where we're gonna see a big wick as well. Okay, and as we can see here, our exponential average coil down. So the moment that we will come here will be around this area, around the $3.62. This is where we're gonna see a massive fight between this seller and the buyers. Okay, between the $3.64 and the $4. Okay, because after we close above the $4, this will be it for Bbig to confirm that we're gonna start reversal the moment that we broke from the 11. Okay, this is a big dip, so we need to confirm at least close above the $4 to starting the behavior or momentum shift for Bbig to go from the bearish momentum to bullish momentum. As I said, this box is really important. Right now we're starting like testing it, but below it. Okay, not yet, but around the $2.75. As I said, there's level of test. When we go down, there's level of the test of resistance of the ceiling. Okay, so the price of or the ceiling is going down with the market. If we are bearish, the market will keep dipping down, and the ceiling will go down as well. Okay, so the moment of the reversal, we need to offset this ceiling, okay, to push it back a bit. That's why you see this the wick. Okay, the wick is mean there's a lot of selling pressure. There's buying pressure, however the selling pressure is more than buying pressure. That's why we see this the wick, and the candle never close on the body. The body will be less, so this is normal. We want to test the resistance around the $2.75. I think the $2.75, yeah. Yeah, $2.75. So testing, getting weak, then go back, but not going back for our box that we charged from, and hold above to do higher lows, and then offset the $2.75 to go to the $4. We're gonna see the squeeze. As I said, be patient, don't rush and buy around the level of like when the price is starting going down. Don't listen to Twitter people or YouTube to tell you buy here, buy right now, load up. Buy why. Ask the question always why. Okay, so if you buy at each cent, this is not good strategy. When I tell you to buy where the big whales buying. Okay, not retail trader buying, because retail trader buying at every cent the price go down. This is not smart way to trade. This is not smart way to invest. This is not smart way to be like to have a green portfolio if you want. Okay, if you want to have a green portfolio and make your average down, always buy where the big whales buy, where we actually talk about it right now. We buy only with insiders and buy big whales. This is how we make money. This is how we make our portfolio green again for this year. So without further ado, press the like button. Join us in Patreon and Discord if you want to know how to make your portfolio green this year as well. We have everything, one-on-one meeting and everything. And see you in the next update.